Welcome to SuiteTrails. Get ready to set sail with us as we explore Amsterdam's breathtaking waterways through 7 incredible cruises and boat tours. Let's embark on an unforgettable journey together. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Experience the enchantment of the Amsterdam Light Festival on an electric boat cruise with beer, wine, glühwein, and soda. Embark on a journey of wonder and illumination while under warm blankets. Learn about the history of the canals and facts about the city. Settle into the luxurious comfort of a modern, fully electric boat, designed to shield you from the elements, and set out on a cruise through the vibrant heart of Amsterdam. As twilight descends, pass by a captivating gallery of 20 luminous art installations that adorn the canals. Wrapped in warmth with provided blankets, immerse yourself in the city's beauty and allure from the cozy haven of your boat. Listen to stories shared by your skipper or host. Delve into the stories behind the art pieces, explore the rich history of the canals, and uncover insights about the city itself. All the while, indulge in a selection of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, generously provided without limit from the onboard bar. Amsterdam Light Festival, Edition 12. Technology and AI. In this latest edition, artists delve into the profound implications of rapidly advancing technology and artificial intelligence in modern life. Explore how communication, connection, and creativity are all profoundly influenced by technology and AI. How does this impact our essence as humans? Edition 12 invites you to explore diverse perspectives on this theme. Number 2. Lose yourself in the magical wonderland of Amsterdam as it puts on its winter finery. Admire the beautifully lit buildings, learn the stories of the illuminated artworks at the Amsterdam Light Festival, and be awestruck by the stunning bridges at night. Sip unlimited drinks in the cozy boat. Meet your local captain on nice covered boat. Grab a drink from the selection, including beer, wine, and soft drinks. Sample some typical Dutch snacks as you set sail. Pass fantastic sights, beautiful works of art of the Amsterdam Light Festival, illuminated buildings, playful houseboats, and beautiful bridges with thousands of lights. Learn about the history behind what you see from your passionate skipper guide, who knows all the ins and outs of Amsterdam. Enjoy the warmth of the enclosed boat. Number 3. Relax on a canal cruise through the UNESCO Heritage-listed Golden Age canals of Amsterdam. View city highlights like the Skinny Bridge, the Red Light District, and the Old Harbor. Have the option to choose standard tour or a tour with unlimited delicious Dutch cheese, wine, and other drinks. Board the ship and let your local skipper tell you about local history as you sail past sites in the Jordaan District and the Skinny Bridge on the Amstel River. Admire views of parts of the Red Light District, the former city locks, and Old Harbor. Capture pictures of the stately architecture of the Maritime Museum and the prestigious Gold Bend neighborhood. See pieces of history as you sail by places like the Anne Frank House. Ask your guide questions about the city and get recommendations for things to do and places to eat. Number 4. Indulge in an enchanting evening cruise on Amsterdam's canals, revolving around the spectacular Amsterdam Light Festival. Glide on a historic vessel, captivated by 20-plus illuminated artworks, turning Amsterdam into a magical canvas for modern art. Begin your journey in the heart of the city, just 5 minutes away from Dam Square. While surrounded by historic charm, climb on board a vessel aged over a century that will create a timeless experience. Sip and savor the experience with a selection of drinks included, each crafted to enhance your enjoyment of the festivities. Whether you prefer a glass of fine wine, a local beer, or a refreshing non-alcoholic beverage, the attentive staff are dedicated to ensuring your glass is never empty. If you are feeling a little more indulgent, you can choose to include an optional bottle of cava and cheese platter to further enhance your Festival of Lights experience. Discover the theme of the 12th edition of the Amsterdam Light Festival, Harmony of the Future, a symphony of technology and AI. The luminous creations represent the profound impact of advancing technology and artificial intelligence on our contemporary existence. Let a knowledgeable guide illuminate the stories behind these masterpieces, adding depth to your appreciation of the artistry as you glide along the canals of Amsterdam on a relaxed evening cruise. Number 5. Embark on an enchanting canal cruise during the 12th edition of the Amsterdam Light Festival. We welcome you at our Café Dialogue, where you will have the opportunity to buy drinks or snacks. The drinks and snacks should be purchased at the bar of Café Dialogue before departure. Immerse yourself in a spectacle of light and imagination as you glide through the canals. Witness the artistry light installations displayed in the UNESCO World Heritage Site canals. Step onto a comfortable, modern, and heated canal boat, conveniently located near the Anne Frank House, and embark on a mesmerizing journey through the heart of Amsterdam. As you cruise along the picturesque canals, let your senses be captivated by the symphony of light and art that unfolds before you. Delve into the theme of this year's festival, revealing art, AI and tech, as you encounter an array of light artworks that seamlessly blend technology and creativity. Witness how these innovative creations transform the urban landscape into a canvas of boundless imagination. Marvel at the city's iconic bridges and historic landmarks, each adorned with stunning illuminations that cast a magical glow over the cityscape. Enrich your exploration with our insightful audio guide, which provides the story behind the beautiful light installations you encounter. Gain a deeper appreciation for the artistic vision behind each creation as you navigate through Amsterdam's winter wonderland. Your cruise concludes at the quay opposite the Anne Frank House again, leaving you with memories that will forever illuminate your heart. Number 6. You can drink in a bar in any city in the world, but for a true Amsterdam experience, you can't do better than a boozy canal cruise along the world-famous waterways, taking in the sights with a cold beer in hand. Choose from a private or shared cruise. Depart from the city center and cruise through some of the city's main canals. Make your way onto the Amstel River, under the 7 bridges, and discover hidden gems that only a local skipper and host will know how to find. Your cruise will eventually return to the same spot in which you started, right in the city center, exactly where you will want to be after a cruise with an open bar. Number 7. Experience the enchanting beauty of Amsterdam at night aboard a captivating semi-covered boat. As the sun sets, the city comes alive with shimmering lights of the 20-plus sculptures displayed throughout the city, and the serene canals create a magical ambiance that will leave you mesmerized. Choose from a wide selection of drinks available for purchase on board. From beer and wine to soft drinks, this onboard bar ensures you can sip on your favorite beverage while taking in the picturesque views. The tour's highlight is the dazzling city lights of Amsterdam at night. As you glide along the canals on a semi-covered boat, you'll have the best view to witness the mesmerizing light decoration on the many bridges all around the city, reflecting on the water's surface. Enjoy an unforgettable evening of scenic canal views and the enchanting beauty of the city lights. Get the exclusive opportunity to witness Amsterdam's illuminated charm and artistic brilliance. Reserve your spot now and enjoy an unforgettable evening of lights, scenic canal views, and the pleasure of indulging in an onboard drink offerings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.